redeem BGMI codes. Redeeming Battlegrounds Mobile India code or BGMI code is an effortless method that enhances the gaming experience for players. These codes, often provided by the developers through events, promotions, or partnerships, unlocks a range of rewards such as in-game currency, skins, crates, and more. To redeem a code, players typically need to navigate to the designated code redemption section within the game, enter the code accurately, and confirm the redemption. The rewards are then added to the player's inventory, allowing them to customize their characters and weapons, as well as progress in the game. Using the new BGMI redemption codes is a straightforward process. Here's a simple guide. First, go to the BGMI redemption webpage. Then, verify your BGMI account. Next, input the redemption code into the specified field. Next, choose Redeem from the available options. And lastly, access your acquired items from your in-game locker. These codes streamline the process of obtaining enhancements for weapons, vehicles, and other items in real-time strategy games. By redeeming the August 16, 2023 codes, you can delve deeper into the captivating universe of the popular Battle Royale game BGMI.